Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the DNS address in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Changing the DNS can help improve browsing speed, increase privacy, and sometimes fix issues when certain websites do not load properly. Vivaldi allows you to use Secure DNS, which encrypts DNS requests and lets you choose a trusted DNS provider. So let's get started. First, open Vivaldi browser and then click on the menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. Under Vivaldi settings, in the left sidebar select network. Under network, ensure enable DNS lookup over HTTPS is checked. If not, then check this one option. After that, click on the drop down menu. Here you can choose OS default, Cloudflare, Quad 9, Google public DNS, Open DNS, Next DNS, Clean browsing DNS. If you want to use a different DNS provider, you can also choose custom option and enter the DNS address manually. After selecting your preferred DNS provider, these changes are applied automatically. You do not need to restart the browser. That's it. You have successfully changed the DNS address in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.